The first phrase, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 3, 2, 1, 6, 5, 4, 3. The second phrase, 4, 5, 1, 1, 7, 7, 6, 5, 4, 5, 3, 2. Before you start the second phrase, you need to move your hand up to make sure your thumb is on the note 4 and your little finger is on the top one. Over here, you need to move your hand down again for the last 3 notes. So I would suggest you to move your little finger to play the 5. For the third phrase, you need to turn your finger slightly because you want to do 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then you do 5, 1. And for last phrase, you move your hand down again. There are different ways to play the last phrase. You can use your middle finger to play the 2. Or if you are already very familiar with your position, put your thumb on 1, you can use your index finger for 2. But you have to turn your finger over here. So I'll put these together. 3. Stretch. Move your hand up. Little finger here. Turn. Move your thumb. In my next video, I'm going to add the bass line, so it's going to sound like this. Please visit my channel for more videos.